Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change download location on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to, of course, open our desktop. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is to just create the file or look for the file where we want to put our download location file into. So let's see, for example, that instead of this download section, we want to put our downloaded files right here directly on to the desktop, then what we're going to do next is to open our File Explorer. Once you open your File Explorer, you will see this downloads. So just right click on it and then click on Properties, which is right here. After that, just look for location into this part. So just click on location right here. And then in this part, you will see this file path. So what we're going to do next is to click on Move. After that, just click on the desktop right here and then just click select folder. Once you do that, just click on apply right here. And then once you do that, as you can see, the download section has now been moved into our desktop. So all you have to do, if you want to download something again, the file will now be automatically moved into desktop. So that is basically it, and that is how easy it is.